In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the safe mode on the TikTok application. So basically, safe mode is to prevent the inappropriate messages from showing up. But for some reason, if you want to disable that, here's how you can easily do it. So what you do is just head over to your profile from the bottom right hand corner, and once you are in your profile, you will click on the top right hand corner on the three lines. Click on that and head over to the settings and privacy. And once you're in your settings and privacy, you will scroll down until you see this interactions. It's right here. And from here, we click on direct messages. And under the direct messages, you will see this safe mode option. From here, it is currently enabled. Just we need to toggle that off, and you can see what it is all about. Sensitive content in direct messages will be hidden unless you choose to view them. Messages from potentially unsafe sources will also be moved to the filtered request. So this is how you can toggle that on or off depending on your preferences, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.